right? So we got the right move. We got that bullish breakout move. But just as importantly, the way we valued our volatility, the implied volatility, made this as successful as the move to the upside. Okay, I just wanted to give a good review. And here, if we look, here's the review on our short option. Okay, we had valued that right at a 40, and that's exactly where it's trading. So we were spot on there. Okay, so I loved, remember when we talked about this yesterday, I loved the calendar because there was such a nice disparity in implied vol. But we wanted to get a little bit extra oomph, a little bit extra delta to the upside, because we felt that if this thing had decent numbers, man, this resistance at 89 or so, this thing was going to break out to all-time highs.